Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is narration change from direct speech to indirect speech. That too using interrogative sentences, WH word questions. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Yoman and Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept better. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Let's start the concept. He said to me, "Where do you live?" This is one interrogative sentence using WH word. Okay, WH word question. When we changing from direct to indirect speech using WH word question, which WH word is used in this sentence, that will be the conjunction in indirect speech. Okay, and before changing from direct to indirect speech, we have to focus on some points. What is the point? We have to see the speaker, okay, speaker, object, understand, object of the sentence, reporting verb, this is reporting verb, said is reporting verb, and reported speech, where do you live? Reported speech, which kind of sentence is it? And pronouns, what kind of pronouns are used in reported speech? Understand? Then tense, which tense is it? Get it? We have to focus on those points. Then let's see how to change. He said to me, "Where do you live?" He is speaker, said to reporting verb. Reporting verb said to will be asked. He asked, me is the object, me. Then WH word where is used here. So that will be conjunction in indirect speech. So where do you live? Where do you live? This is one interrogative sentence. While you are changing from direct to indirect speech, we have to change the sentence into assertive, declarative. So it will be very easy for you. Understand? So where do you live? It is, you bring the conjunction where, that WH word. Then do you live? Do means here it is simple present. So what is the sentence? You live. Okay, you live. You is pronoun here. As it is second person pronoun will be changed as per object. So object is first person. Okay, first person object. So what is the subjective form of me? That will be I. And as it is simple present, that will be simple past. I lived. I lived is what? This is one declarative sentence, assertive sentence. Understand? And it is the conjunction, it became in indirect speech, that WH word will be what? Conjunction. Then you change the sentence into declarative. And tense will be changed according to the corresponding past. This is simple present will be changed into simple past. Okay, tense will be changed into its corresponding past. He said to him, "What did you do when the electricity failed?" Okay, she said to, she, speaker, she asked, said to, asked him. Okay, same thing will be written. Then said to will change. Speaker and object will be written in indirect speech, but said to will be asked. And we remove what? Inverted comma. Okay, then question mark. So which WH word is there? What? So that will be conjunction. What? Then you change the sentence into assertive. Did you do? What did you do when the electricity failed? Right? Did you do means it is what? It is simple past. Okay? Simple past will be changed into past perfect in indirect speech. Right? So you is second person pronoun will be changed as per object. Him. Its subjective form he. So did you do? You did. You did. Understand? So you will be he did. Simple past will be past perfect. So had done. Okay, what he had done when the electricity failed. Failed, simple past will be changed into had failed. Right? They said to us, which do you prefer, white or red? The speaker same and object same will be written. Then said to will be asked, as it is one interrogative sentence. They asked us, which is the WH word here? In the question sentence, you write conjunction as that WH word. Which do you prefer, white or red? That means you prefer white or red. You prefer white or red, that is simple present, will be changed into simple past. So, you second person pronoun will be changed as per object us. It's a subjective form. We preferred, simple past, simple present preferred. We preferred white or red. He said to Ginny, why have you not started studying? He asked Ginny. That WH word you write why. Have you not started? That means you have not started. Right? You is the subject here. Second person pronoun will be changed as per Ginny. Object. Ginny is one girl. It's a subjective form. Pronoun she. So she have not started. Simple present. Past present perfect will be changed into past perfect in indirect speech. So it is have started means it is present perfect will be changed into past perfect. She had not started studying. Full stop. Question mark will be removed in every sentence. Rina said to Hitesh, why are you laughing at me? Rina asked Hitesh. WH word why? Why? Are you laughing at me? Change into declarative sentence. You are laughing at me. You keep it as conjunction. Then change the sentence into declarative. It will be easy for you to change. So, you are laughing at me. So, you is second person pronoun will be changed as per object. Object Hitesh. So, it's a subjective form. He are laughing. Present continuous will be past continuous. He was laughing at me. Me is first person pronoun. First person pronoun will be changed as per subject, speaker. So, speaker Rina. Rina is one girl. So, her. Okay. For me, you have to write her. Next. He said to her, which keys are yours? He asked her, which keys? Will be written which keys or will be where. Which keys were hers. Yours is second person possessive pronoun. Will be changed as per object her. So it will be hers. They said to me, how many cars do you have? They asked me, how many cars? Total phrase will be written. How many cars? Do you have? Right? Do you have? That means you have. Its corresponding past will be you had, and as it is second person pronoun will be changed as per object me. It's a subjective form I had. Okay. Simple past will be past. Simple present will be simple past. She said to Lata, how can I help you? She asked Lata. How? Here modal is used. Modal. Can. Right? How can I help you? Here I is first person pronoun. First person pronoun will be changed as per speaker. Right? So, here she is speaker. So, that will be written. How she could help. Can its corresponding past. Could. She could help. And you is second person pronoun will be changed as per object. Lata. Right? So, it will be her. Pronoun will be her. She asked Lata how she could help her. He said to her, when can I see you again? He asked her, when? That will be as conjunction. That will be written. When can I see you again? change it into declarative sentence. I can see you again, right? So I is first person pronoun will be changed as per subject, subject he, so that will be written. When he, can corresponding past could, he could, she, you. You will be changed as per object, her, so it will be her. He could, she, her again. Rita said to Mita, what will you do with it? Rita asked Mita, what will you do with it? That means you will do with it. You second person pronoun will be changed as per object Mita. It is in pronoun form she. Okay. So she would do with it. It is third person pronoun, will not be changed. What you get when you changing, while you changing from direct to indirect speech, in repeated speech the pronouns will be changed. How? First person pronoun I, we, and other first person pronouns related to I, we, me, our, us, etc. will be changed as per speaker. Right? Second person pronoun you related to you, your, yours will be changed as per object, and third person pronouns will not be changed. Right? We have to remember those. Already I have explained it in my previous videos. I will give the link in the description box. Right? Then when the repeating verb is in past form, we have to notice to the tense. How they are changing? Simple present will be simple past, present continuous will be past continuous, present perfect will be past perfect, present perfect continuous will be past perfect continuous. If in repeated speech simple past is there, that will be changed into past perfect. Past continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. Past perfect will not be changed. Past perfect continuous will not be changed. Right? I hope you get the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. That's it for this one. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love this video and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to put a comment to motivate a teacher to make more videos for you. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.